Alright guys, so this is for Manta. It's very short anyway. So the first thing we have to do is to come to the first link I sent. Okay, and add the chain to our wallet. So Manta Testnet chain. I'm going to request goalie. Sure. When we're done with that, we're going to request Manta rollup too. Wait for the two to arrive. Alright, so that has arrived. Kind of made a mistake. I think I copied the wrong. Alright, so anyway, I got the HH. I just can't see the. So the next thing we have to do is to come to the website, connect our wallet. Once we've connected our wallet, we're going to make some swaps. So we're going to deposit, then we're going to withdraw. So to my network, to goalie. So I need to connect my wallet now. Alright, so we're going to do some deposits and we're going to do some withdrawals. So deposit. Don't know why it's failing, but let's try again. Hmm. Still failed. Quite strange, no? Let's try something higher. Try something higher. Okay, I guess 0.2 went through. Probably low amount was the issue. Change are like that. I think their network is slow for a start because can see you guys can see the whole rolling and rolling, still rolling. So this is already successful. This is still rolling. So let's pause this video, see if it rolls finish. Alright, so it didn't actually load finish. I had to reload the page and you can see it has arrived to 0.2. So we're going to make a couple of deposits like that. Let's try the 0.1 again if it goes. For the sake of those that might not have much goal ETH. So if the 0.1 does not go, that means you know that you have to breach at least 0.2. Okay, funny enough, it actually worked, guys. The 0.1 worked, so I guess it's not about the amount. You can see it worked. Let's try something lesser again. Okay, let's try something lesser again for the sake of, like I said, those that don't have much goal ETH. Let's try something lesser. So I'm not going to let this video to be too long. So all you have to do is deposit, make some couple of deposit. I always tell you guys minimum 5. If you make 5 deposits, 5 withdrawals, that's a total of 10 transactions. You're good to go. Wow, 0.01 even went through. That's very good. So guess it doesn't matter the amount of this thing you have. So let me see how many I've done now. That should be 3, no? 2, 3, okay. Do 2 more to make it 5. Okay, that was successful too. I'm getting the notification on my second screen. So okay, confirmed. There's one down here. Good. Let's do the last deposit. Okay, this one failed. I guess you just have to note that when it fails, you try it again. Failed, so let's try one more time. Okay, this one was successful. So we have 5 successful deposits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're gonna move on to withdraw. To do that, we're gonna switch our network to Manta. So I'm going to be withdrawing all my ETH back. Because I need it. We have 0.32 total that I've. So I'm going to withdraw 0.01. Did that about 3 times. Okay. Do another one again. That's 2. Okay. 3. Okay. That's 3. So the next one will be 0.1. to make it 4. Then go for the 5th one. Okay, that's 5, guys. Basically, that's actually everything we were meant to do. So it's to deposit and to withdraw. If there's more updates, I'll surely let you guys know. But for now, that is everything. So we're supposed to come here to claim the NFT, but I went to their gallery, and everything has ended. So you can be checking on their gallery once in a while. Manta Pacific on gallery. You can do that. Here, everything has ended. I guess. Let me check again. This one, they have a minting cap. So this one now only 5,000 people can mint. So immediately gets 5,000. That's all. So I find it quite intriguing that there's a number of people that can mint. So that's to let you know that you don't fade it. If you find one of their galleries that is opened, just do it immediately. So that's basically everything on this. I hope this video is helpful.